Bonjour, bonjour les amis. Comment ça va? Moi, ça va très bien, merci. Je m'appelle Madame Tweedy et bienvenue. Welcome to French with Ananas. I am so happy you could join our class today. We're going to be doing some French sentences. Oh, you say, Madame, I don't know what a sentence is. Well, you have come to the right place. We're going to learn how to say French sentences today, and we're going to need some help. And I have a friend who can help us. Can you say bonjour, Ananas? And she will join us. Say it in a nice loud voice. Bonjour, Ananas. Oh, la voilà, c'est Ananas. She's saying bonjour to you. Alors, les amis, on va commencer par choisir une couleur. Répétez après moi. Rouge, orange, jaune, vert, bleu, violet, rose, blanc, noir. Would you like to choose the color today? Tu veux choisir la couleur? Oui, qu'est-ce que c'est? Ah, violet, d'accord, ici. Bravo. So this series is called French with Ananas, and this is lesson 2.11, E sound. Leçon 2.11, son E. Alors, on va commencer. Oh, ananas. Delicious. Regarde ici. Do you remember the name of these from our last E sound video? And if you said cerise, you are correct. Cerise. Now, there's lots of them. So when there's a lot, we say des cerises. Now, the beginning of Madame's sentence is over here. And these are actually two words joined by an apostrophe here. Now, j'ai is the beginning of our sentence. J'ai means I have. Can you say j'ai? Bravo. Now let's say it together, the whole sentence. J'ai des cerises. Bravo. And that means I have cherries. What is it, Ananas? Une question? Tu as une question? Oui? Ananas would like to know, what happens when you only have one cherry? I will show you what happens. Then it becomes une cerise. Juste une. So, how do we know if a word is masculine or feminine? In the French language, all the nouns are either masculine or feminine. All of them. So, how do you know if a word is masculine or feminine? So, an easy way is just look in front of the word. So, Madame has written une, and if it ends in an e like this, then it is feminine. So, une cerise. So, cerise is a feminine word. C'est féminin. Now, that does not mean that the cherry is a girl. It means that the word for cherry is féminin. It's feminine. So it's going to be called une cerise. Now let's say the whole sentence together. J'ai une cerise. Let's try that again. J'ai une cerise. And that means I have a cherry. Yay! Bravo! What a great start! Bravo les amis! Oh, ananas. Did you remember the name of this animal? Oui, Ananas remembered cheval. Now, cheval, is it a masculine or a feminine word? We look over here. There's no e at the end, so it's un cheval. It is a masculine word. Un cheval. Let's say the whole sentence. Toute la phrase. J'ai un cheval. Encore. J'ai un cheval. And that means I have a horse. Bravo! On continue, mes amis. On continue. Oh, Ananas, do you remember the word for this? chemise. Now, do you think chemise is masculine or feminine? Look over here. If you see the letter E, then it is féminin. It's feminine. Féminin. Une chemise. Now let's say the whole sentence. Toute la phrase. Phrase is the French word for sentence. J'ai une chemise. Encore. J'ai une chemise. Bravo! Ananas, you are getting this. Oui. Not so scary. Oh, regarde. Arrow pointing to the hair. Oh, there's lots of hair. And in French, we use the plural. So it will be j'ai des cheveux. I have hair. But Anana, what are you wondering? We? Oh, we. Okay, so she wants to know, once again, what happens if you're talking about just one hair? Un cheveu. So over here, un cheveu. Do you think it's masculine or feminine? There's no e here, so it's un cheveu. It is masculine, masculin. Now let's say the whole sentence. Toute la phrase. J'ai un cheveu. J'ai un cheveu. Bravo! Continue les amis, on continue. Oh oui, do you remember the word for a stuffy? Peluche. Now, do you think peluche is masculine or feminine? I see the e. It must be feminine. Féminin. Une peluche. Une peluche. Alors on va dire toute la phrase. J'ai une peluche. Encore. J'ai une peluche. Bravo! Doing a great job, les amis. Bravo. Oh, Ananas, qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Mon sac? Où est mon sac? Ah, j'ai mon sac ici. Mon sac. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans le sac, Ananas? On va ouvrir le sac. On va regarder dans le sac. Alors, Ananas va mettre sa main dans le sac. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans le sac, Ananas? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a? Oh! Oh! Regarde! C'est l'ami d'Ananas. C'est son ami. C'est Cheval. Can you say bonjour, Cheval? Oh, they are such good friends. C'est son ami. Oh, my friends, not so scary learning sentences. Des phrases. I hope you had a fun time. Do you remember how to say see you next time? À la prochaine. À la prochaine.